Now we would move on to inserting references to your Microsoft Word document. The Cite While You Write feature in EndNote allows you to insert references while you are writing your report. To do this, you must ensure that EndNote has been properly installed and the EndNote 21 ribbon is visible at Microsoft Word document. This is the ribbon, and you should have EndNote ribbon ready. So this is your EndNote ribbon. Alright, if this is not visible, you need to read the EndNote manual or contact your ID administrator to troubleshoot the problem. So to insert references, you need to open your document, this is the document that we have some text in this document. So place the cursor at the location that you would like to insert the reference. Let's say we want to insert the reference after the first what we call sentence. Alright, then go to EndNote library and say insert citation. Alright, so we can actually find citation from the EndNote library. So what we're going to do, we're going to sign back pain, prevalence of back pain. So we find from our library. Alright, so you have different article. So you can actually use the control button on your keyboard to insert the article that we want. Alright, so let's say we have highlighted 5 article and we insert this 5 article. So we have inserted the 5 article into your document. Alright, then we go to another sentence and then we want to insert another 5 article. So we go and search again, or if we don't want to do it this way, we can actually go and insert it from the EndNote library. So we go back to EndNote. Alright, and we go back to the group that we have actually used. Let's say we're going to insert this incidence and prevalence study. We're going to highlight all the incidence and prevalence study, and then what you need to do is you need to go to tools and go to find Cite While You Write and insert citation into library. You must make sure that before you insert, the cursor is in the right place, so that you can insert to this 8 citation will go into the right place. Alright, so you can see we have inserted another 8 citation. Alright, into this second sentence. Let us do the same thing for the third sentence. Alright, discomfort. So we look at discomfort. Absenteeism. Let us focus see whether there's the term absenteeism. This is just, we are just trying to look at the tools, alright, and see what you can do. So we go and search. Alright, so go back to all references and then go and search for absenteeism under all fields, any fields, absenteeism. So this one we don't want, so we just want absenteeism, and we can just search. Alright, search, we enter, then we search, then we found that there is so many articles. So let's say we are looking at some of these articles that we want to put in. Alright, this is just randomly. Then what we're going to go to tools, output style, Cite While You Write, and just click on this, then you get all the article inside. So you have seen that we have different article, alright, in different segment. Okay,